Hello everyone. Question number 3 is related to HCF and then factorization, which is very important. So question 3 related to factorization. So this question is very important. So first we will find out the HCF. In HCF, as we did it in the previous question, first we will see the digits 5 and 15. HCF is 5. Highest common factor is 5. Now see the variable y and here y square. So it means the lowest power is y. Similarly, in second part, HCF 16 and 4, HCF 4 and variable m and m square. So lowest power is m. Look at the next one, third one, 8 and 8. HCF would be 8. Now x power 3, so lowest power is x power 3, and here it is y power 2, but here it is not, there is no y power, so we will not include this one. In fourth part, HCF of 20, 40 and 80. So HCF would be 20. Now look at the variable x power 3, x power 2 and x only means x power 1. So the power is 1, or we can write it as 20x. There is no need to write power 1. Similarly, in next part, here there is no digit, so it means 1, 3 and 6. So the HCF would be 1 only. Now look at the variable x power 4, x power 2 and x only. So x would be the power here, x power 1. Then y square and y3. So lowest power is y only. So you can write it as 1xy as xy also. In sixth part, 8, 16 and 24. HCF would be 8. Now x square, x and x. So what should be the lowest power? X only. Now look at the next variable y square, y and y power 3 and y. So the lowest power is y. So 8xy is the HCF of sixth part. Now we will continue with the factorization of all the 6 parts. अब देखिए क्या करना है, ये जो HCF है, टू डू द फैक्टराइजेशन, इस HCF को आप बाहर लिखेंगे एंड नाउ यू विल पुट द ब्रैकेट. अब देखिए ये H5y हमने बाहर लिख दिया, मीन्स वी आर टेकिंग दिस 5y कॉमन फ्रॉम दीज टू टर्म्स. अब ब्रैकेट में हम क्या लिखेंगे, ये देखो ये 5y वी हैव टेकन इट आउट, तो इसकी जगह क्या रहेगा 1, बिकॉज 5y को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, यू विल बी गेटिंग द फर्स्ट टर्म. नाउ पुट द साइन ऑफ माइनस. आउट ऑफ दिस 15y स्क्वायर वी हैव टेकन 5y आउटसाइड, so what should be left out now? मीन्स ऐसी टर्म आपको यहाँ लिखनी है सो दैट आप 5y को उससे मल्टीप्लाई करें, यू विल गेट 15y स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज 3y. लुक हियर, अगर आप 5y को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, ओपन इफ यू विल ओपन द ब्रैकेट 5y मल्टीप्लाई 1, 5y माइनस 3y, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, you will get minus 15y square. So again you will be getting the question itself. Just look at the second part. ये जो HCF आया है, that we will write it outside. Now put the bracket. 16m में से ये 4m हमने बाहर ले लिया. अब 4m को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 16m आएगा? 4 से, बिकॉज m इज ऑलरेडी आउटसाइड. देखिए 4m मल्टीप्लाई 4 इज 16m. नाउ पुट द साइन ऑफ माइनस. आउट ऑफ सेकेंड टर्म 4m इज आउटसाइड, तो अब क्या बचेगा यहाँ पर? ओनली 1m विल बी लेफ्ट आउट. अगेन just see it. If you will open the bracket, this multiply this 16m, minus this multiply this, you will get 14m square. Now, how to do the third part? क्या करेंगे? ये जो HCF आया है, that you will write it outside. Now put the bracket, and then okay. Now in third part, we will write 8x power 3. Put the bracket. Now out of this 8x power 3 we have taken it out. So what is left? Y square plus this 8x power 3 is already outside. तो यहाँ पे अब आप कुछ नहीं है. It means multiply 1. Only 1 is left. Because we have taken this 8x cube outside, यहाँ 0 नहीं लिखेंगे. If you will put 0, so 8x cube multiply 0 would be 0. जबकि हमें 8x cube चाहिए. So 8x cube, since it is outside, so only the left out is 1. Because यहाँ पूरा term हमारा बाहर है, तो क्या बचेगा? Only 1. Now look here. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, then you will get the first term. If we will open the bracket by multiplying these two, you will be getting the second term. Look at the fourth part. In fourth part, 20x HCF, this is 20x, so we will take it out. Now let's see what would be left out. This 20 is outside, 1x is already outside, so x power 3 में से एक x बाहर है, so how many x would be left out? 2. So x power 2 will be inside. Put the sign of minus since it is minus. 40 में से 20 is outside. So 20 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 40 आएगा? With 2. Okay. So एक x बाहर है, so only 1x is there. Now out of 80x, 20x is outside, so plus 4. Now look at here. If you will multiply these two, you will be getting first term. If you will open the bracket by multiplying these two, you will be getting second term. And if you will multiply these two, you will be getting third term. लेकिन आप multiply नहीं करेंगे, because this is the factorization. Factorization means the product of the any two terms or any three terms. It means the product of the terms is the factorization. Now fifth part. In fifth part, this HCF, we will write it here. Basically we are taking common. अब first term में से xy बाहर है, so how many x would be left out? 3x, so x power 3, और ये y already हमारा outside the bracket है, so you will not write y here. Now minus sign, so put the minus sign. xy is already outside, so xy out of these, one xy is already outside, so minus 3 xy, because एक x आपका xy बाहर है, so 1 xy will be left out. Now again put the minus 6 xy, so x is already outside. Out of 3 y's, 1 y is all outside, so y square. So this is the factorization. Again I am telling you, factorization means product of the terms. It can be 2 terms, it can be 3 terms, and so on. So the product of the terms is the factorization. Look at the sixth part. This HCF, we will write it outside. Now let's see what will be the inside of the bracket. 8xy हमने बाहर लिखा है, so only xy will be left out here. xy minus, यहाँ से 16 में से 8 is outside, so 2 xy, x already outside, y और एक y power 2 and plus 24xy, so 8xy already there. 8 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि 24 आएगा? 3 से. And xy is already outside, so you will not put xy with it. So this will be the factorization. I hope all these parts of question number 3, which is very important, which is related to the factorization, is clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.